Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Rashed, founder and CEO of Rashed Model School. I am going to start a new conversation with the students named Fariha Farzin Fiha. Say hi to our viewers.
Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. What's your name?
My name is Fariha Farzin Fiha.
Fariha Farzin Fiha. Nice name. And how old are you?
I am 7 years old.
7 years old. Good. And in which class do you study?
I study in class 2.
In class 2. Good. What is your school's name?
My school's name is Rashed Model School.
Good. And who is your English teacher?
My English teacher is Lovely Madam.
Lovely ma'am. Good.
Lovely ma'am.
Good. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Fazlul Haq.
Good. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Kakuli Akhtar.
Good. What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
Businessman. Great. What is your mother?
My mother is a doctor.
Good. What do you want to be in future life?
I want to be a doctor.
Wow, doctor. Okay. And where do you live in? Which country do you live in?
I live in Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you very much for coming here and say goodbye to our viewers. Goodbye.
Goodbye.